MagiCAD Schematics offers a great way to create schematic drawings directly in Revit environment for ventilation, piping, and electrical. You can sketch schematic by drawing lines for ducts, pipes, and cables, and placing symbols with attributes into the view. When symbols are placed into the duct, pipe, or wire lines, parameter values are inherited to reduce manual work. You can use symbols from our symbol library when creating schematic symbols, or you can create your own ones. Once you have built up your schematic, you can link the schematic with the model. This way, parameter values can be synchronized between a schematic symbol and its element instance in model. You can also create symbols of model groups and thus link a group of devices or symbols together with one symbol or model instance. MagiCAD Schematics offers also some tools for editing the drawn schematic. You can use Revit tools directly as they are, but MagiCAD tools have their own place when moving, stretching, aligning, or splitting. In electrical, there are some special features adding more value. Once you have a model planned with switchboards, panels, circuits, and devices, you can draw a schematic automatically based on the existing model. These automatically drawn schematics are good starting points. You can continue by adding tags and other schematic items manually. Once you have linked all elements together and mapped parameters, you can synchronize parameter values between model and schematic instances.